Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and V6 engine. The Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way that Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces." For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.